great day in paradise. Look at that view behind me, guys. What about that? We are here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic at the RIU Palace, Bavaro. And I think we're fixing to go eat some breakfast. Whew, it's already a warm day. I need to check the temp. I'm definitely gonna have to put on some sunscreen for sure. But look at that, look at that. Beautiful, that's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, guys, breakfast has been eaten. We ate some breakfast. And of course, now we have to go and get all scheduled up for a COVID test and way back home. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go out here and make it a pool day. Day number 2 in paradise, Punta Cana. You know, so far so good. We got our COVID test scheduled 3 days before we leave. We've got our shuttle taken care of, that's scheduled. So now it's all about enjoying paradise.
Yo sé que te gusta. Yo sé que te gusta.
What are you doing, baby?
Iberian ham with crispy bread.
Iberian ham with crispy bread. We were supposed to eat Italian tonight, but it got changed. But that's okay. We got plenty of time here at the RIU. So we'll try Italian another night. But tonight we're gonna do the Krystal fusion restaurant. So, you know, we're gonna figure it out. That's that bougie place that we ate at the RIU Palace Peninsula last time. All right, guys. Here it is, 10 o'clock on a Tuesday night.